Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On your menu today, we're going to make this pasta salad. Pasta, mayo, 3 cheeses, delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's have a look at what we have here. So I've got my pasta cooked. I'm using this penne. Any pasta works, anything you want. So get that cooked and ready. Mayonnaise. Then we've got 3 cheeses. I've got some Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, and feta cheese. To that, I'm going to add some small cut, finely cut onion, some garden peas. They were frozen, they're cold frozen, parsley, and here I've got a little bit of chili, optional, salt and pepper, that's it. Okay, so mixing bowl, pasta, going in with those peas, that chopped parsley. I mean, you could use something else if you want. I think parsley works really nicely in this. The onion. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder. I mean, like I say, this is optional, you don't have to. And then I'm going to go Parmesan, cheddar, and feta. To that, we're going to add some mayonnaise. Now you can add as much or as little mayonnaise as you like. I don't particularly like it swimming in mayonnaise. I'd rather a nice glaze. Very simply, we're going to give that a mix. Okay, and there you go, job done. Very, very simple. If you wanted some hard-boiled eggs chopped in there, maybe some chopped olives, up to you. Very simple. Not very healthy, to be honest, because it's loads of pasta and loads of cheese, but delicious. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.